Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making something truly soothing and refreshing apple cinnamon tea. It's perfect for cold weather and absolutely delightful to enjoy on cozy winter evenings. So let's get started. In a teapot, I will begin by adding half cup of orange slices. This adds a lovely citrus aroma to our tea. Next we will add 1 cup of fresh apple slices. They bring a natural sweet and fruity flavors that pairs beautifully with the cinnamon. Then I will add a handful of fresh mint leaves to give a refreshing lift to the taste. Now drop in 2 cinnamon sticks. These are the stars of this recipe, giving that warm and comforting spiced note. After that, add 2 tablespoons of black tea or use 2 tea bags. Now comes to the sweetness, 2 tablespoons of honey to balance all the flavors and create a smooth, soothing texture. Finally, pour in 1 liter of boiled water. Cover it and let it steep for about 10 minutes. This allows all the flavors to blend beautifully. After 10 minutes, your kitchen will already be filled with a wonderful aroma. Pour it into your favorite cup and enjoy this cozy, flavorful tea. It's not only delicious but also great for soothing the throat and keeping you warm on chilly days. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Happy cooking and see you next time.